Tonight, growing concerns that your tax return could be delayed. It comes amid this government shutdown, which is now in its 31st day. Workers at the IRS were affected by the shutdown. Many were furloughed at the beginning of it, and later the agency called back thousands of workers to work without pay in an attempt to try to prevent delayed refunds. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez spoke with a major tax preparer who is still optimistic, Andres, heading into this tax season. What did they say?
They are, Mike. The local IRS union president said that 46,000 furlough workers have been called back ahead of the filing season. It is unclear, though, at this point how many of them will actually come back due to hardships. As the government shutdown continues, the IRS Service Center in Kansas City is gearing up for when filing season begins next Monday. This is one of 5 facilities in the country that processes tax forms.
No pay is not okay.
Many employees working without pay.
The IRS has brought back their staff just under 60%, but there is an expectation there'll be a long wait time if you call the IRS at one of their 1-800 numbers.
Despite the political impasse in Washington, D.C., the folks at H&R Block don't expect refunds to be delayed.
Most of the plans for tax season were really set in place before the government shutdown began.
The IRS has already called back a significant portion of the furloughed staff. This year, they're dealing with huge changes made to the tax code in more than 30 years.
The rules around claiming dependents and the credits for children have changed. So just like everyone else, the IRS and their staff are having to relearn those rules again.
There are some who may have a slight delay getting back a refund.
That's due to the PATH Act, which was passed back in 2015. And what that rule says is that taxpayers that are claiming either the earned income tax credit, the IRS holds those refunds to confirm eligibility for them until February 15th.
As of now, the filing deadline is still Monday, April 15th. And now the local union president did tell me that she plans to check on the impacted employees tomorrow. Reporting live in Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.